How to save video from Capcut to gallery. So if you want to save your exported video directly from your Capcut to your gallery on iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to save video from Capcut to iPhone gallery, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Capcut app on your phone. Now once you open the Capcut app, you want to click on new project, then allow full access. Now select the project you want to export on your Capcut to your gallery. So let's say this particular project, I'm going to select a short project. Let's say this project. Click on add. Now once this is added to the timeline, go ahead, edit the video. Make sure you cut out unwanted part and even remove the Capcut logo from the video. Then once you do that, go ahead and click on the export button at top right. Then you see the video exported. Now this video will be exported to your iPhone. Now open Photos app on your phone, then come to recent days, click on that. Under recent days, you see the video you exported to your phone gallery. You see that? So that is basically how to save videos from Capcut to gallery on iPhone. Even if you are using Android, this also works in the same way. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.